Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're going to be going over the all-new 2019 Ram 3500, and this particular one is in the Laramie trim package. And as always, we will do a quick walk around on the truck, go over the features, and then we will take it out to drive it. And if you are stopping in for the first time, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. Starting under the hood here is that same 6.4 liter that we went over with the Tradesman package. I am still waiting on a diesel truck to come in so I can show that to you guys. But it's good for 410 horsepower, 429 pound-feet of torque. It's all routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission. And obviously, since it is a heavy duty, the EPA does not release fuel economy numbers on the truck. Finishing things up front, we have this new design with the headlamps, and you get LED accent lighting on it. Parking sensors are integrated into the rear bumper down below. And then this grille, like I said in the previous heavy duty, it's a little bit more flat compared to the half tons grille. You have the Ram logo up front. Since this is the Laramie, it has a nice chrome appearance on it overall. Around to the side, we can see the rims with the tire setup for that, and then I can give you guys a nice little side profile so you can see the truck. This is what's going to look most similar to the previous generation, is that side profile on it. Finishing things out back, here is the key fob for the truck. So the first thing is with the remote start. So just press it twice. First time locks it, second time we'll start it up. You hear that 6.4 liter start up. You can see the lights pop on and all that. Press it again, that'll turn it off. Press this button twice and that'll lower down the tailgate. And you can see you get LED bed lights, which you can turn on via that switch, and that'll also turn on the cargo lights up there. And then obviously you can get fifth wheel prep in the bed as well as a bed liner. Coming around to the back here, we can see that there's nice wood trim that comes with the Laramies. You get those suede inserts that you guys will remember from the new 19 half tons. More leather trim right there. You can see the upgraded leather trim seats with the suede inserts that were very similar to those new 19 half tons. Finally, some ice buckets right here. That Tradesman did not have ice buckets, but you get your extra storage under here. The subwoofer is under the other seat, so the back of these is actually more similar to the previous generation than it is to the new trucks. Still get a power outlet, USBs back there, and ventilation with the cup holder, so the center console is kind of like the new design. Before we pop inside up front, these are your mirrors. These are the trailer mirrors, so they've got the flip-up function right there, and then you can see the nice little blind spot monitoring system in it, and then there is a little light that you can shine that'll go down the side of the truck. And then right here you can see your keyless entry, lock it, one touch, and then you can unlock it that way. You have all of your window controls right here, your power adjustments right there for the mirror, and then you can power fold the mirror on top of that. More wood trim with the suede inserts, and then you do get your adjustments for the seats on top of that. And we can see all of the light controls right here, power adjustable pedals. And then if we hop in, step-in height's gonna be higher since this is a heavy duty, but you have all of your cruise controls right here, your manual gear selector right there, voice commands over there with the little center stack. Start up the 2019 Laramie. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake, push the push button, and it'll start right up. The gauges will do a little bit of a sweep right there. You can see your tachometer on the one side, speedo on the other side, and then you get that instrument cluster. This will look identical to what's on the 19s in terms of this setup here on, if you did like a 19 Laramie half ton, for example. So this is like the new updated system. Here you have your little gear selector here to do the different drive modes as well. So you have your 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel drive, and then obviously to change gears, super smooth and easy to use. All of your climate controls and vents up here. Coming into the touchscreen, it's like an iPad essentially, so it's super quick response time with it. It's all drag and drop functions with these, so you can put anything into this little sidebar down there. This is gonna have your controls for your climate controls, your seat controls, all of that. And then you can see the backup camera with the trajectory lines right there. And then since it is a heavy duty, it does come with a cargo camera as well. It's optional equipment, but you do have the zoom function still on the receiver hitch for that camera as well. And then down here you have all of your analog climate controls, your analog controls for your heated and ventilated seats. And then down below, these are to turn off your parking sensors, tow haul mode, electronic stability control, and then you have your trailer brakes. CD players integrated down there, and then more charging stations. This is to hold your phone, and there is a power outlet down there. Sliding center console right here, and you can see you can pick it up, so you have even more storage, and you can slide that forward, so it's tons and tons of storage space right here in the truck. Looking over, we can see the seats up front. They've got these nice bolsters on themselves, the nice suede inserts, dual glove box on the sides. And then to finally wrap things up on the interior, you do have your power rear sliding window, which you can press that button, it'll open up the window right there, and then all of your assistance buttons, and then that's to drop the tailgate. But let's just get right into the drive portion and see how the 3500 handles. We are setting off here in the 2019 Ram 3500, and this particular one is in the Laramie packaging, and so it's the more loaded up luxury version, and I'm sure this is the version that more people actually want to see in the heavy duty to kind of see what they changed on the truck. And since this is a 3500, obviously it's going to ride a little bit rougher, so bear with me, the video is going to be a little bit bumpier. So just like I mentioned in the prior video with the Tradesman, this new 6.4 liter Hemi, I shouldn't say new, but the engine's the same, but with the 8-speed automatic transmission paired to this engine, it definitely drives a lot smoother in terms of the acceleration. It accelerates a lot better, and it is going to help you get better fuel economy overall with this big motor. We're going to take this out onto the interstate now to get a little bit of an acceleration with the truck, and obviously see how the 3500 handles on the interstate, since the 3500s do have the leaf springs in the rear suspension compared to the coilovers in the 2500s. They do ride a little bit rougher. We're going to get a little bit of an acceleration here. And in terms of acceleration, it accelerates very well. Like I said, the 8-speed automatic with this 6.4 liter, it's a very quick truck. Obviously, if you're going to want more power and torque, you're going to go for the diesel motor, which as soon as one of those comes in, I will be doing a video on it. The ride quality on the interstate isn't as smooth as the 2500 that I just did, and so if you want a little bit smoother ride and you don't need the higher payload of the 3500, then definitely go for the 2500. It's going to ride a lot smoother. And overall impression wise on the truck, you know, like I said with the last video, since they've kept some of the stuff the same, but then they've changed other things, it's kind of more of a refresh than a complete redesign, what I would say. And so the 19 half tons, complete redesign. The heavy duties, kind of more on the line of refresh, because everything up front here is, you know, new, and then the stuff in the back is kind of like the old generation, and so you kind of get both of them. But that being said, it's still an excellent truck, super comfortable truck. It comes with a ton of luxury features. You get more safety tech now, like the blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, you know, collision warning, all that kind of stuff. So it's definitely a great value on that aspect. And so if you are on the market for a heavy duty truck, definitely come and check one of the new Rams out. And there we have it, everyone, the all new 2019 Ram 3500. Thank you so much for watching. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, comment down below what you thought, and I will see all of you in that next video.